Hey guys, Ben Maddox here on this gorgeous, beautiful day. We are home of America's largest pre-owned RV store. And today we're going to be looking at a prime example. This is a gorgeous 2013 Holiday Rambler Ambassador. This is one of their shorter models, but still has a ton of room. This is a 36 PFT. They packed a lot into this small diesel coach. So we're going to talk a little bit about the outside, the platform, and then we're going to take a look at the gorgeous inside. Real quick, I just want to point out the Velvac mirrors. These are so strong. You can do pull-ups on them. But no, really, up front, I just want to talk about the platform this is built on. This is your RR8. It's a Roadmaster chassis, has 8 airbags. Typically, you're not going to get 8 airbags till you get into a 40 or 42 footer. So a lot of air suspension for this size of an RV, which means it's a stable ride going down the road. Up front, you have a bigger generator for this size. It's an 8,000 watt quiet diesel generator. It's actually running right now and you can't even hardly hear it. This does have some nice features on the outside as far as like the clear coat or clear bra on the front here, so it protects from rock chips and overspray. And having this beautiful full body paint job, it's important to have something like that to protect it when you're driving down the road. We'll ignore the front door for now. We'll come back to that, but it's a nice big residential size door, big hinges, so very easy to get into. You've got electric steps there, 2 of them which have the non-slip grip on them and a safety handle to be able to get in. 22.5-inch tires. Those are Alcoa wheels, which make your ride much quieter and smoother going down the road because they're aluminum. They're a milled wheel. On the patio, you have a nice big flat screen TV, so when you put the awning out, you can hang out, watch the big game. Storage compartments are going to be much bigger on your diesel coaches because of the basement compartments. So that is your fuel fill right there. You can see you've got a Joey bed or a slide out tray. This is a Moore Store slide out tray, so this thing actually slides in either direction. Very easy to load everything up and get it out on either side. That's your rear roof ladder right there, which we'll talk about in just a second. Your hot water heater is right here. This is a 10-gallon hot water heater, so enough to have a nice couple hot showers outside of your furnace, which is going to get hot when it's running. And this is a holding tank. You can see where your holding tank is, and water filter right there, so easy to replace. And then there's a quick propane connection so you can hook up your barbecue when you're out on the patio. Moving around to the back, we've actually got this engine running right now. There's your house batteries there, so there's 4 12-volt house batteries. There's your main chassis batteries, which are on a slide-out tray, so easy to get to. Those will slide out, and both of your battery disconnects in one simple place. So moving around to the back, rear radiator, you've got a 10,000-pound rated tow hitch. It's already got the mud guard on it as well, so easy access to be able to get in here as far as service goes. Rear roof ladder to be able to get up on the roof, check your seals. You've got a backup camera as well, side view cameras as well. So access to filters. There's your surge protector, so if you're in a blackout or brownout, you don't have to worry about your appliances inside. There's your cord reel. This is an electric cord reel too, so easy to wind up once you're done. And then on the other side, you've got your utilities in one simple place. Everything is easily labeled and located. So you've got your city water fill, your black tank flush, check all your tank levels, turn on your water pump. This does have a macerator, so it'll actually grind up your waste and pump it out, so it's much cleaner and simpler to use. Auxiliary shower, everything in one simple place. Propane fill in that compartment right there, and then the other side of your slide-through, pass-through storage with your Joey bed. So a lot of great things on the outside. Let's go take a look at the inside of this beautiful coach. Hey guys, Ben Maddox here again. We are now inside this beautiful 2013 Holiday Rambler Ambassador 36 PFT, which is what denotes the floor plan, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. I just want to talk about the cab area a little bit, because the Holiday Rambler cabs are going to be a little different than most. They build these nice, beautiful, plush, comfortable seats that do spin around. They're 8-way power seats, so it's nice to be able to integrate these seats into the living space if you have guests over, if you just want to watch TV from your front chairs. This one does have a recliner on it, which is really nice for the passenger to be able to just recline and relax going down the road. There's a step cover there as well, so that they don't feel like they're dangling off the edge of the earth. In the cab area, on the steering wheel, a couple things that are really important. You've got your easy touch buttons as far as your cruise control. Right here you can see you've got your 3-stage engine brake controls right here, which is going to save your brakes going down a hill. Volume control right here, and headlamps as well. Over here you've got a variety of different buttons. The key things are things like your regen for your diesel motor. This does have your max force 10 350 horsepower motor, which has the highest torque ratio of any 350 horsepower motor on the market. It's 1,150 pounds, which means it's great for getting over the hills, great for towing. And everything else as far as diagnostics going through your whole system is easy to get to. Your hydraulic leveling system is right here as well on your driver's side, so when you pull up to your campground, it's nice and easy. Just hit auto, it does its thing, levels out, and you're good to go. So moving into the cab area, before we do, I just want to point out you've got a flat screen TV here right above the cab if you want to watch it there, or if you want to have two shows going on at the same time, check out the nice entertainment you have below the fire or above the fireplace right here. So you can hang out on the couch, or you can hang out in the front seats. So you have a nice couch here that turns into a bed. You've got a hide-a-bed underneath, so if you do have some guests or grandkids or anything that come along with you. All tile floor all the way throughout, so easy to clean, beautiful high gloss sheen to it. Nice little dining area here with freestanding chairs. This does extend out with a leaf that goes in there. You've got two extra folding chairs in the back, so you can seat 4 people. Solid countertop, that's a Corian countertop. Tons of counter space in the galley area, so a lot of prep space if you love to cook. Counter extension here, dual sinks with sink covers, residential faucet, and there's storage all throughout. Solid wood cabinetry, Amish built cabinetry. Convection microwave oven, because this does not have your standard oven down below where the stovetop is, so you can bake and you can microwave there. Nice big 3-burner cooktop with the flush mount covers. Everything is nice and clean and simple. Moving into, real quick, let's check out the pantry space with these big slide out drawers. So tons of space there. And then center control panel, you've got everything in one simple place. You've got your thermostat, so you can control your temperature very easily. Roof AC, basement furnace. You've got your inverter control, your power management system, which is going to tell you your voltage and amperage, tell you if you're gaining or losing power. You can turn on your generator. There's an auto gen start option here with part of the power management system. The generator's running right now. Check your tank levels, turn on your water heater, water pump, gas electric, water heater, and then run all your slides there as well. Bathroom is a good sized bathroom. For a 36-footer, you've got a big neo-angled shower, much like the ones you're going to see in your big 45-foot buses. So lots of elbow room, real glass doors, skylight. You could be 7 feet tall and fit in here no problem. Tons of space. It's got an electric toilet, which is going to be similar to what you're going to find like on an airplane. Very quick and efficient, and lots of storage all throughout the bathroom. Very well appointed, beautiful product. If you guys are familiar with your Monaco products, Holiday Rambler is part of that same marriage. Check out your residential fridge. So what a lot of people like about your diesel coaches is the ability to run your fridge off of your batteries, because you have a big enough inverter to be able to do that. It does have the ice maker and the water dispenser as well. This is kind of rare to be able to have storage here that also allows you to put in a stackable washer dryer. So this is plumbed. There's plumbing behind this false backing here if you want to put in a stackable washer and dryer, which you don't typically get in a 36-foot RV. It's not until you get into 40-footers that you get the ability to put in a washer dryer. So great for residential use. And then this bedroom is huge. The reason you get this big of a bedroom is because not only do you have a slide in your bed, but you also have the full wall slide on your driver's side as well, which is why you have this big open floor plan. So obviously you have a lot of space over here, prep space as far as vanity, tons of storage. Obviously you got another TV, so you've got 4 TVs total in this beautiful rig. You have a big walk around bed that is an airbed. You have dual controls on each side, storage up above, and then you have this nice big sliding wardrobe, obviously mirrors on both sides. Plenty of space to be able to store all of your central vacuum. So this does have central vacuum, which you can empty your bag outside. There's your extra chairs there as well, and then the other side of your storage. And the nice thing is they include some extra tiles, so in the worst case scenario, if you do happen to damage a tile, you've got some extra tiles as well. So a lot of great things to love about this 2013 Holiday Rambler Ambassador 36 PFT. When you come in to check it out at Johnson RV, make sure you ask for Ben.